Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things beautiful and stylish for your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautiful, functional backyard patio but feel overwhelmed by the cost and effort? What if I told you there's a secret material that's not only incredibly stylish but also super affordable and easy to install? That's right, we're talking about gravel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of gravel patios. We'll cover what they are, why they're so great, how to decorate them, and we'll even show you 10 stunning ideas to inspire your own backyard transformation. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a gravel patio? Simply put, it's an outdoor living area where the ground surface is made from a layer of decorative stone aggregate, like pea gravel, crushed granite, or crushed limestone. This material is typically spread over a compacted base of crushed rock and a weed barrier fabric to create a stable, durable, and permeable surface. Gravel patios are a fantastic alternative to traditional options like concrete, pavers, or decking, offering a unique texture and a more natural, organic feel to your outdoor space. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of choosing gravel? Well, there are many. First off, cost. Gravel is significantly more affordable than other hardscaping materials, making it a great option for a beautiful patio on a budget. It's also incredibly easy to install, making it a perfect DIY project for a weekend. You can skip the heavy machinery and expensive labor and get it done yourself. Another huge advantage is its excellent drainage. Unlike solid surfaces, gravel allows rainwater to pass through, which helps prevent pooling and runoff. This is great for your yard and the environment. Gravel patios are also low maintenance. While you will need to rake them occasionally to keep them level and add a fresh layer every few years, they don't require the sealing or extensive cleaning that other materials do. Plus, gravel provides a fantastic texture that adds a visual interest and a subtle crunch underfoot, creating a serene and natural ambience. Decorating a gravel patio is all about blending comfort with style. The key is to create a well-defined space that feels welcoming and intentional. Start with furniture that complements the rustic, natural feel of the gravel. Wicker, wrought tan, and wrought iron pieces work beautifully. You can also mix in some solid wood furniture for a contemporary look. Define your space with an outdoor rug. It might sound counterintuitive, but a durable outdoor rug can anchor a seating area and add a pop of color and texture. Potted plants are your best friend here. They add life, color, and vertical interest to the space. Choose large, decorative planters to make a statement. Don't forget lighting. String lights, solar path lights, and lanterns add a magical glow, making your patio perfect for evening use. Lastly, accessorize with outdoor pillows, throws, and a stylish coffee table to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 incredible examples of gravel patios ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the rustic chic retreat. This beautiful, soft-toned patio features light-colored gravel that creates a bright and airy foundation. The soft, pillowy seating and stylish woven furniture provide a comfortable and welcoming feel. An outdoor rug adds a touch of warmth and texture, and the low-profile fire bowl creates a cozy ambience. This is a perfect example of how to create a tranquil, magazine-worthy outdoor living room using gravel as the base. 2, the laid-back backyard hangout. This design features a casual, circular gravel patio that creates a distinct area for relaxation and socializing. The round shape helps to soften the hardscape, and the fire pit in the center serves as a natural gathering point. The simple, comfortable outdoor chairs and a large grill nearby make this a perfect spot for laid-back gatherings and a fun, functional extension of the home. 3, the modernist's dream backyard. This contemporary patio showcases how gravel can be used in a highly structured, modern design. The long, rectangular pavers create a clean pathway across a bed of dark gravel, leading to a chic dining and grilling area. The linear concrete fire pit adds a sculptural element, and the bright yellow chairs provide a playful pop of color. String lights overhead add a warm, festive glow, making this an ideal space for sophisticated outdoor entertaining. 4, the elegant formal patio. Here, gravel is used to create a sophisticated formal entryway. The perfectly manicured gravel path is bordered by lush green lawns and leads to a grand stone patio. The symmetrical placement of potted plants and the clean lines of the design create a sense of balance and order. This patio proves that gravel can be used in even the most elegant and traditional landscape designs, adding a timeless texture. 5. The cozy fire pit circle. This inviting space is centered around a gravel patio that serves as the perfect foundation for a fire pit area. The natural stone retaining wall not only defines the space but also provides a backdrop for lush, layered plantings. The classic Adirondack chairs are arranged in a circle, inviting guests to gather and relax. This design is a testament to how gravel can create a warm, communal space that feels both intimate and integrated into the natural surroundings. 6. The modern pergola oasis. This stunning design combines the clean lines of large-format pavers with the organic texture of white river rock, creating a sleek, contemporary patio. The dark, sturdy pergola with a retractable canopy provides shade and a dramatic focal point. Paired with a stylish black wicker seating set and vibrant throw pillows, this space is the perfect blend of modern and cozy, proving that gravel can be a key element in a highly polished outdoor setting. 7. The serene gravel pathway. This design highlights the use of gravel to create a beautiful and functional pathway that gracefully curves around a central lawn. The warm, earthy tones of the gravel are complemented by a stone border, creating a neat and polished edge. The surrounding garden beds are filled with a variety of textures and heights, making the path a journey through a serene and well-manicured landscape. 8. The Bohemian Garden Retreat. A simple yet incredibly charming design, this patio uses a light-colored gravel to create a clean foundation for a vibrant seating area. The bright pink bougainvillea and other lush plants add a burst of color and a sense of enclosure. The black metal chairs and side tables with a unique woven pattern complement the natural vibe, while the large decorative bowls and pots add a touch of artistic flair. This is a perfect example of how a small gravel patio can become a big statement. 9. The Mediterranean Courtyard. This stunning patio uses a golden-toned gravel to create a warm and inviting Mediterranean-inspired courtyard. The large, decorative pots with lush plants and the rustic stone wall add character and a sense of history. The clean lines of the wicker chairs and the large umbrella provide a modern contrast, while the overall design feels classic and timeless. This patio shows how gravel can be the perfect material for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space that feels like a European getaway. 10. The multi-textured gathering space. This patio beautifully integrates different materials to create a dynamic and inviting area. The main seating space is defined by large square pavers surrounded by small, light-colored gravel, while a curving gravel pathway leads to a lush garden bed. The wicker furniture and a large, rustic coffee table provide a comfortable spot for conversation, all framed by a gorgeous backdrop of landscaped greenery, proving that a mix of textures and materials can create a truly unique and appealing design. To truly make your gravel patio shine, you'll need the right decor. Here are some of our best element picks. First, durable outdoor furniture. Choose materials like wicker, rattan, teak, or powder-coated aluminum. They are comfortable and designed to withstand the elements. Second, a fire pit or fire bowl. A central fire feature is a game changer for ambience and warmth, allowing you to use your patio on cooler nights. Third, outdoor rug. An outdoor rug anchors your seating area, provides a soft surface underfoot, and adds a pop of color or pattern. Fourth, potted plants and planters. Use a variety of sizes and materials to add height, color, and life to your patio. Fifth, string lights. These are a must-have for creating a magical, inviting atmosphere after the sun goes down. Sixth, stylish coffee and side tables. They are essential for holding drinks, books, or a small candle. Look for options with a solid base that won't wobble on the gravel. Seventh, solar-powered path lights. Line the edges of your patio to define the space and provide gentle illumination for safety. Eighth, decorative pillows and throws. Use weather-resistant fabrics to add comfort, texture, and a personal touch to your seating. As you can see, a gravel patio is a stylish, practical, and budget-friendly solution for creating a beautiful outdoor living space. Whether you're aiming for a modern, rustic, or bohemian vibe, gravel provides the perfect blank canvas. It's an easy-to-install, low-maintenance option that allows you to spend more time enjoying your backyard and less time worrying about it. We hope this video has inspired you to consider a gravel patio for your home. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below which of these designs was your favorite, or if you have any questions about creating your own gravel patio. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.